Hi EDU 187. Today is Tuesday, so that means we're starting the second week of class. I wanted to take a minute to give you just a quick tutorial on Blackboard and navigating this course. When you log in, you should be taken to the announcements page. I try to make announcements at least once a week. Sometimes I have other things to share, so more than that. But last week you started at the Start Here tab. The tabs that you will mostly use for the rest of the semester are the weekly lessons and the collaborations tab. The collaborations tab has the discussion boards, journals, and also linked to the Blackboard Collaborate. But you also will have access to the journals and discussion boards in the folder each week as they're assigned. So I recommend accessing them through the folder to be sure you're doing the right ones, but they are here on the collaboration tab if you need them. Of course, you can always go back and check the course information like the syllabus and course schedule, double check your textbook, those sorts of things. But you'll mostly be using the weekly lessons tab. And you can see here the week 2 folder is open for you. I do try to make those available by Sundays in case anybody is working ahead. It helps you to plan for your week, even though our class is scheduled to start on Tuesdays for this class. All right, so this week you have a video discussion board. I know you probably thought you were getting a bye when I gave you the assignment to introduce yourself with your Bitmoji, but so this is where we're going to see you face to face and tell us about one of your favorite school experiences or memories that you want to share. I put a link here to Blackboard Collaborate because we do have a meeting next Monday from 6 to 6:50. You can go through the Collaboration tab or you can click right here to access Blackboard Collaborate. There are some reading and resources that you need to work with and be familiar with this week. You do have a new assignment, your Learning Theories presentation assignment. You have a couple of weeks to work on that. But this week you need to go ahead and choose your topic. There are several, I think we have about 25 people in the class this semester, so these topics can actually be repeated 3 times. I do want to get a good overview of the different topics, but we will have at least 3 different people working on the same theorist. There's a video about critical reflection because that is a common thread throughout the course. We will work on reflection as you do your mentor experience. So we'll talk about that a little bit more in class, but read over those resources. And again, here is your mentor experience project with all the documents explaining it. I hope everyone has done their level 2 volunteer by now. I will be going through those this week and making contact with Kathleen McLam at the county office to get information out to principals. You will be asked to call a principal and find a teacher to work with at a school in the coming weeks, but I'll give you more information about that in class on Monday. I hope to have it. Your Learning Theories presentation, I do want to point out one thing. I'm going to open this up and let's talk about it for just a moment. You are doing a PowerPoint presentation. You want to be sure you follow the assignment carefully because when I grade your PowerPoint presentation, I am looking for these specific components to be addressed in your PowerPoint. The other thing that I'm asking you to do is to record it. You will submit both a recording and your document to me in Blackboard, and your classmates will see your recording. So if you need help with recording PowerPoint, I always look those things up on Google and things like that, but I also have some resources that I can share with you. But you do need to record your PowerPoint so that you can share it with the class. You'll record it and then you'll upload it to YouTube just like you do your videos. If you have questions about any of that, feel free to reach out, but also we'll chat about some of these things in class on Monday. Have a great week.